Welcome, we are the Plumbing Gurus. My name's Clayton.
And my name's Karsten. And if you're new to this channel, we're striving to save you money, keep you informed on all the proper plumbing practices. So if you haven't already, maybe consider smashing that subscribe button and hit the little bell button for notifications for any future videos that we're gonna do. Let's get into this video. Come on, guys. All right, everyone, so the first thing you wanna do before you do any work, getting into working on a hot water tank, is shut off your main cold feed into the tank. And the next thing you're going to do, you're going to go upstairs and open up a faucet so that you can release the air when you're draining it. So yeah, so the third thing you're going to do is drain the hot water tank. You're going to come down here. We already have a hose hooked up to the hot water tank into the drain, and it goes into the floor drain just over there. So we're going to open this. This style is a bit different than some. Some are going to have a screwdriver you'll have to open it up with. Some are going to just be like a twist and turn like this. But essentially, you just want to drain it enough, and then the whole point of the faucet being open upstairs is so that it can drain properly. And we're just going to want to get it down below here so that we can work on all the parts we need here.